I'm David Smith with the Princeton Public Affairs Group. Welcome to this week's E-News Update. This week, Governor Chris Christie announced major changes at the top levels of state government with a new Chief of Staff and a nominee for Attorney General. The governor nominated his current Chief of Staff, Kevin O'Dowd, to Attorney General, and Regina Agia, currently Director of the Authorities Unit, will move into the Chief of Staff position. Christie encouraged the State Senate to confirm O'Dowd by the end of the current session on January 14th. Also this week, the Senate Commerce Committee met to receive testimony from invited guests on the federal government's recent announcement of a transitional policy to delay enforcement of several provisions of the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act. Chairwoman Nia Gill said that the new transitional policy would allow insurers to continue to sell health plans that do not comply with the quality standards in the ACA. Department of Banking and Insurance Commissioner Kowalski said that since existing plans in the state do not comply with the ACA, there would be market-wide cancellations. Senator Ray Lesniak introduced Senate Bill S-3084, legislation designed to make Atlantic City the center for international gaming, which is expected to experience rapid growth in the upcoming years. In other news, Senate President Steve Sweeney held a press conference where he said that the failure of the Board of Public Utilities to act on the goals of the Offshore Wind Economic Development Act was costing New Jersey at least 1,000 new jobs. The BPU and all four utility companies in New Jersey expressed concerns about the effect the project would have on ratepayers, about the financing of the Fishermen's Energy Company's plan, and about the technology behind the turbines that would be used. The company will be able to respond before oral arguments are held on December 20th. Tonight, tune into NJTV Roundtable at 6 o'clock, 7:30, and 11 p.m. during NJTV's News to watch PPAG's Bill Pascrell III and Al Gabor discuss hot topics including Governor Christie's choice of Kevin O'Dowd as the next Attorney General, the Comptroller's audit of Newark expenses, and Mayor Quintana's staff changes, questions about insurance policies under the ACA, and perhaps issues around the Port Authority's George Washington Bridge lane closures. Thank you for joining me. For more information, please go to ppag.com. Have a great weekend.